hello, we're live from the Tucson Show, and I'm here with Milaine Hillam. Did I say it right? Hillam, all the way from Australia, and she is renowned for making these amazing resin jewelry. So we've got a little bit of a problem right here, as you can see, and I figured out a solution on how to do that. We were actually surprised. Look at the polish we got on the rest of these. Anyway, so I'll show you how to do this. So I'm going to use my Microfinishing in Fine with our thick, cushy, soft flex, and I'm running this about slow speed, and we're going to hold it right up underneath the wheel and try to get, oh, those are deep pits there.
Yeah, very deep.
Oh, they're deep. So let's just see how far. Okay, we're working those other ones. You can see it sanding it. You don't have to worry about the speed, I mean the heat, because it's actually cooling it down, so it's nice dry. And I just want to work. Oh, it's gonna go. I see it. It's gonna go away, that little pit. Oh, it's a deep one. And we are done. So the pit is gone. Just want to make sure it doesn't come back. So we'll sand the rest of it nice and smooth. You can go around the edge. La 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 la. So we have this finished now. You see that?
The pit is gone.
The pit is gone. There's still a little, actually no, there's not anything. I'm just too detailed. Okay, so next we'll go to, this is a 15 micron fine. We'll use the Very Fine 9 micron 3M microfinishing film. And again, I'm running it at slow speed. And we're just gonna give ourselves a finer sanded surface. And I'll kind of change the rub pattern so I won't follow the same line that I was sanding. I'll kind of change it up a bit. I've used this sandpaper on polymer clay for about 6 shows already, and it's really still going strong. So those who use this paper know that it'll last you a good long while if you use it appropriately with the right speed. And so right now, oh heavens, we're good. So make sure I got it nice and smooth, and you can see how clear it is. So this is like what call like almost, you know, the pre-polish somewhat.
You did the sides also?
Yeah, I did the sides right here. So I'm going to use my jeweler's buff. This is our buff that we get at JOOLTOOL, and I'm going to run it at full speed with my JOOLTOOL compound. Give myself a good little zhuzh, and I'm going to hold it with light to medium pressure polish, and you'll see an immediate polish come up. You see that?
Wow.
So before, after, and I'll just give myself another zhuzh of compound, kind of turn it this direction. Oh heavens. Oh my God, Milaine.
That's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. It's almost, I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it.
That's like glass now.
Yes. So, you guys see what I'm seeing? Remember that little spot right there?
Reflection of light. Perfect.
It's nowhere to be found. Now, to clean up, like if you do have a little remnants of compound, which we have a little here, and on some epoxies and resins, I do require you to go to a clean buff, but this obviously doesn't need another polish.
Cleaning without compound?
Without compound, yes. Thank you, teacher. And I will just glide right over it, just ever so lightly. Please do not push at this step. If not, you'll have a nice lumpy surface. And there we go.
Oh, wow.
Like glass.
That's
Literally,
amazing.
if no one felt it to understand the weight, they would think this is glass. Like, I hope the video does it justice.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it pretty? Oh heavens. And so, flashback to both of us. And this was created by Milaine for some gorgeous pieces. Live from the Tucson Show in 2017.